My name's Dr. Einir Young. I'm Bangor University's Director of Sustainability, and I'd like to welcome you to Bangor and tell you more about what's happening with sustainability at the university. There's 4 things I'd like you to remember. 1. Sustainability is central to everything we do at Bangor University. 2. The Sustainability Lab team is here to work with you across campus. 3. Sustainability is definitely about being green, but it's also about the social, cultural and economic well-being of people and communities. Wales describes this as ensuring the well-being of future generations. And 4. Sustainability is a global as well as a local challenge. And as a university family, citizens of the world from all corners of the globe, we are contributing in every way we can towards the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals. This graphic demonstrates how hot this topic is. Students like you in Wales and across the United Kingdom have been demanding that we as a university take sustainability seriously. Greta, the recent winner of the GQ Game Changer Award, is focusing all our minds on the climate change aspect of sustainability. And Bangor University has responded by joining others in declaring a climate emergency. But talking about it is not enough. We need action. And action is what the Sustainability Lab team is all about. Liz, Gwen, the one with Roxy the dog, Gwenith, Gwenan and I work with INDEB, the Students' Union, all colleges and directorates and all subjects across the university to make sense of what sustainability means and how we can all be more sustainable. One of our responsibilities is to coordinate the campus environmental performance team that manages our ISO 14001-2015 environmental management accreditation. Our efforts are being recognised and we're happy that we came in 8th in the world in the University of Indonesia Green Metric in 2018. We were awarded first class honours in the People and Planet League in 2019 and we're shortlisted for a prize at the Green Gowns 2019 Awards in Glasgow for our Think Before You Drink campaign. So what is sustainability? About 80% of our inbox is about waste, and Gwen, our waste coordinator, is always coming up with ideas. Energy, water and transport are also big issues for Liz to address, but sustainability is about people and their communities, culture and the economy too. The United Nations Sustainable Development Goals demonstrate the breadth of action required by the world if we are to be sustainable. The Welsh Government has condensed the UN goals to 7 goals that are most relevant to us, and you'll be hearing more about these too, and the 5 ways of working. And so on to the action. I do hope that you all met the team at Serendipity, which was a hotbed of activities contributing to sustainability in the widest sense. By the 28th of September, you'll be all well settled in and our Waste Awareness Week starts. That's quite a psychedelic fusion of all things waste with halls, campus life, Students' Union, international students, Gwynedd Council, British Heart Foundation, CIWM and all sorts of people coming together to help make Bangor University a more waste-savvy place. Nobody wants to live in a tip, so there will be tips on how we can all avoid that. There'll be waste awareness sessions, beach cleans and a whole raft of other activities. And all of that will help our waste stats for the coming year. Have a look at this data to see how we are slowly increasing our reuse, recycle and composting rates and avoiding sending waste to landfill. Do keep your eye out for the Think Before You Drink posters and take action. This will all help us reduce our reliance on single-use items. Every month we meet to put the world to rights. These sessions on the last Tuesday of every month is where we get to hear your views, respond to your concerns and work with you to put your ideas into practice and develop campaigns on things that matter to you. The first Put the World to Rights session will be on the 29th of October with feedback from the Waste Awareness Week. The themes for the coming academic year include waste, energy, biodiversity, health and well-being and sustainability in the curriculum. That's plenty to be keeping us all busy and we look forward to having your input into these themes. So keep your eyes out for events. The next youth climate strike will be on 20th of September, starting outside of Main Arts at 12 p.m. On 25th of October, we'll have Climathon, an all-day global event where students, staff, businesses and the wider community will come together to discuss what we can do in a changing world. And the whole month of February 2020 is dedicated to Carnival, an extravaganza of ordinary events celebrating the contribution of all your various activities to Bangor University sustainability goals. So follow us, tag us, share your stories. Visit our website, keep an eye out for your campus life coordinators, join our Putting the World to Rights sessions, get your voice and opinions heard, interact with the student union and the sabbatical officers, add value to your degree and join in with the best brains in town to tackle some of the world's greatest challenges and have fun at the same time. The team and I are looking forward to working with you over the next 3 years and after you graduate, and as a member of the Bangor University's growing alumni population. Thanks for listening. We look forward to a very exciting year in your company. Enjoy your time in Bangor.